Hey guys, we're here in the Buffalo Gap National Grasslands, and man, is this area beautiful. It's just grasslands. Check it out. We got our little fire pit going. We got our tent set up. But look at the sky. Is that beautiful or what? Buffalo Gap National Grasslands. When we pulled up, right up here, there was some antelope, a herd of antelope that was right there. It was just amazing. All right, follow along on our journey. We'll be traveling from the Badlands here in South Dakota, trying to make it to Oregon, going overlanding all the way. So follow along and live it through our eyes, through my videos. So hope you follow and enjoy.